Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is K. Shruti from Vishnu Institute of Technology. Currently, I am pursuing BTech in this college. Today, I am here to explain the simple JavaScript program for creating Telegram bot. First one, as we know, the Telegram bot is used by all the people nowadays because we are busy at the works. Then, when the user wants some data, we create predefinedly some answers for that. Then whenever the user asks the questions, then the Telegram bot will be replied. Next, here we creating a simple Telegram bot for the weather. When the user enter the location, then based on the circumstances, he get the present weather on that current location. So here we have the const request and the const telegram bot. These are the import packages. These are we are importing from the code by importing that to make the HTTP request to the weather API. So while importing that, when the user enters the current location, then he get the current weather. So for that purpose, we have to using this request and telegram bot. And next, we have to set up the bot taken is defined in the variable token. This token is specified to the bot that you created in the telegram. A new telegram bot instance created with a polling enabled, which means a bot listens to the user message in the real time. This token will be this code. So this code will be taken from the telegram bot. So by this telegram bot that will be listened, then when the user enters his location, then he gets the current output. Here when the user sends the start command, respond a prompt, then that gives the another command, please enter the location. When the user sends a location to the bot, it requires a weather API to fetch the weather data for the provided location. Next, if the location is invalid, bot informs the user with an error message from an API. If the location is valid, it extracts the temperature Celsius and sends back to the user. Then the user gets the result from at any place at any time. Here we observe that bot on and else this code. So here we observe this code. This code means for start instruction. That means the bot starts the interaction with the prompt and give the result. So whenever we entering the code, the bot will be respond, then it returns the result. So here we observe the code directly. So whenever the bot is on, so in the if state, it gives the start message. So whenever the user enters the start button, then he get the prompt like please enter the location. So whenever he enter the location, he or she is nothing but the user. Whenever user enter the location, then the telegram bot requests the weather API and returns the result. If the user enters the current location, then it returns the current result based on the weather report, and it returns in the Celsius. Or else whenever the user enters the invalid location, then it doesn't return the result and give the prompt like please enter the current location. So here we observe clearly. Here city is the example. We observe variable temperature equals to temperature is JSON trace body location dot time, city is JSON trace body, and the current temperature. So that means whenever the user enters the current location, then the valid output is temperature in that location is the current temperature. So the bot sends that the bot sends that in this way. Here is the simple code for this. Here let's check the output. Whenever I give the start button, the telegram chatbot replies that please enter the location. but it gives the temperature in the star city is 9.4. I mean, in this way the output will be reflected. Here it gives the default output. So I enter the location. Whenever I enter the location Bhimavaram, it replies that the temperature in the Bhimavaram city is 28.2. So I check with another city like London. It replies that the temperature in the London city is 2. Check with the another city, Chennai. The temperature in Chennai is 29.1. So here it is the sample output. Thank you.